Have you ever started driving your car and out of nowhere the check engine light pop up on the dash, and when you push the gas pedal to catch up some speed, and the car just jerked around instead of catching speed? Well, let me show you how to fix that. Okay, so most of the time when the check engine light come on, it usually be something very simple, but since you know the check engine light, sometimes we all panic, we thinking something so crazy. We quickly bring the car to the dealership to take our money. Now you see that tools right there. If you got one of those, it's gonna be your best friend. What it does is when you plug it in the car, it tell you what code it is that caused the check engine light to come on and what you can do to fix it. Now this time around, it's just the ignition coil, bank one, that's bad, so we're gonna replace that. The ignition coil is not an expensive part. Anybody can fix it. All you need is a socket set size 10. You can just unscrew the one bolt that's hold it, and usually be under the little cap that's the engine cover, behind right there where I'm showing you. Usually be right there. You can unscrew the run bolt and you put it up. Now be careful when you're doing it. Don't do it when the car is hot, because you will burn your hand. Okay, don't do it just like I'm doing it, because I burned a few times because I was in a rush. I had to go pick up my wife from work, and that happened like right when I was on the way there, so I had to pull over right quick and get that done. That ignition coil, you can buy that part anywhere, like any part store pretty much, but me personally, I prefer to go to AutoZone, since they're close to where I stay. So I'll go there and get the parts, and if it's under warranty, after you install the part, you bring back the old one, AutoZone will give you back your money. Now since I'm replacing the ignition coil, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the spark plug as well too, because since this car been bought about 7 years ago, we have not really replacing the spark plug, so I'm pretty sure they're burnt and old. So I'm gonna replace all 4 of them while I'm there. Okay, so let's watch this video. Let's see how we get everything done, and that way so we can get the check engine line back off the dashboard, and so we can get the car to accelerate properly. Now since you're here, okay, I'm gonna ask you to please, if you can, just share my videos, subscribe to my YouTube page. I really need your help, and like, share. You can follow me on YouTube as well. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, so anywhere. Okay, so and that way, whatever other video that I have going on, me and you both, we can watch it and we can get the stuff done. Look, check engine light is gone now.
Check engine light is gone.
Enjoy yourself.